Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe by clicking on the red button below and tapping the icon bell at the side to be notified whenever we upload a new video. We'll be going over some awesome content, so be sure to watch this entire video till the end. This video is about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the use of other people's products to promote, whereby you earn a commission on any sales you make. Where can you find such products? There are many different platforms and sites online, but the number one site which has over 20,000 mostly digital products available worldwide is ClickBank. Simply go to Google, type in ClickBank. It's going to bring it up. And you want to access as an affiliate. So you just click where it says affiliate on the Google page, and you'll be taken direct to ClickBank affiliate page. Here we are on ClickBank affiliate page, and you can see affiliate network, earn more with ClickBank. For 17 years, we've been partnering with digital marketers like you to sell our products. Over 200 million customers around the globe. Our digital marketing sticks with our affiliate marketing because, okay guys, so there you have it. Earn commission as high as 75%. Choose the product you want to promote. Get paid on time. There's even reoccurring commissions, guys. So that means with just one sale, you can be earning a commission every month just off of one sale. Promote automatic upsell offers. So after you have made the initial sales, the person or affiliate vendor whose product you have sold will continue promoting that product to your client with upsells at the back office. So very lucrative. Okay? Develop partnerships to increase your incomes. All of these are accessible on the platform. They give you analytics. Tap into advanced analytics so you can see and track your clicks and sales right on the site. Guys, so, here you go, you can see it's a legitimate. So it comes down here and you end up, it says, sign up started in today, and you simply click create an account, and there you go. We're on the sign up page. So guys, to join the program is free. To promote any product is free. However, it's up to you on how you choose to drive traffic. Simply go to the affiliate sign up page and fill in the information required, especially payment detail, most importantly. So this is the ClickBank sign up page, guys. you're going to need to put your personal information, your bank information, and account information. Pretty basic stuff, but just be accurate with what you're putting here, guys. So just to take a look at what it looks like. There you go. As you fill in each page, there are 3 pages you're going to be filling in. As you fill in each page information, you click to the next step until it's complete, guys. So I don't have to go through this with you or hold your hands through this thing. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, personal information, banking information, and general account information. They'll ask you a few questions and just be accurate with what you're providing here, because this is how some of this information is going to be used to ensure that your check or your deposit goes to the right place, and it's in the name, it's in your name. So you gotta be accurate with your information here. As a kickback will pay out commissions every 2 weeks based on the threshold limits you have set. So be sure to provide accurate information. ClickBank is a legitimate company that has been around for over 16 years and has paid out billions of dollars to its affiliate to date. I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars over the years promoting ClickBank products simply by making videos, writing blogs, running ads, and even via free traffic. In the beginning, there was a lot of trial and error and sleepless night with my efforts to start my business, until I found an instruction step by step which lead to my first $47 online. I went on to make $500 that month. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It does require work consistently, but if you're interested in making money as an affiliate, I strongly recommend this step-by-step training course, which is linked in the description of this video, so you won't make the same mistakes as I did in the beginning. Let's take a look inside of this course. Guys, I'm just taking you through a little look at the product, that course training that I told you about. As you can see here, it says our client has earned $3.5 billion. Now it's your turn. So let's just listen in a bit about this product, guys, and we'll move on from there.
Very first ClickBank sale. When you see that first cash deposit sitting in your account, it changes everything. Why? Because if you can generate one sale, you can generate dozens, hundreds, maybe even thousands. And it's possible for you to do that each and every month, practically on demand. So keep watching. In this short video, we're going to share with you how thousands of people are using ClickBank to live the dream of an automated side income or a full-time income, and doing it 24/7, and how you can join them as soon as this afternoon. We'll do that by handing you the only blueprint for ClickBank success created by ClickBank themselves. Hi, my name is Justin Atlin. I'm head of ClickBank University faculty. My business partner Adam and I were actually some of the first people to make it really big with ClickBank by bringing in over millions of dollars in sales of our own products and affiliate commissions in record time. In fact, one of our products generated $1 million in just 1 week. And I'd like to introduce you to Milana Kalimulova. She's the head of product and user experience at ClickBank University.
It was years ago Justin invited me to join ClickBank on their mission to help 1 million people just like you achieve their financial dreams. How? Using ClickBank, of course. You see, every single day we help show people the way to their very first ClickBank sale. And the men and women we help along their journey come from all walks of life, but they have one thing in common. When they get that very first ClickBank commission, they get so excited. For instance, Ryan made sales in his very first week. Austin knows it feels awesome to make that first ClickBank sale. And check out Zach, who's really starting to get some momentum. Believe me, when you see that first commission in your own ClickBank account, it gives you the confidence to go on and make so much more. Over the past 10 years, ClickBank has sold over 300 million digital products and created wealth for more than 100,000 people. Now, we want to make it easier than ever before for people just like you to make the extra income that you deserve.
So guys, this is what you're going to be getting into on that training. Guys, I do recommend that you take advantage of this opportunity. Click the link in the description and get started with this training, guys. I'm pretty sure, just like me, you're going to be into making ClickBank commissions in no time at all. The training is continually being updated and specially designed and relevant to promoting of ClickBank products for the learning the basics as a beginner. So take action, click the link below to get started. So give us a like and comment on this video. We'd love to hear from you and we'll respond to any of your questions. Please check out our other videos and playlists, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome content.